Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to achieving that perfect golden brown finish. Making pancakes is simpler than you think, and with a few key tips, you'll be flipping like a pro in no time. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a stack of fluffy, homemade goodness. Let's dive right into the steps. Now, let's talk about the magic of combining your ingredients. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry components like flour, a touch of sugar, baking powder for fluffiness, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, gently mix your wet ingredients: milk, eggs, and a little melted butter or oil. Then, carefully fold the wet mixture into the dry until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing leads to tough pancakes. Hey everyone, if you're finding these pancake tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist or setting timers hands-free while making these delicious pancakes. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic kitchen companion. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Lightly grease your preheated griddle or non-stick pan. A temperature of about 375 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Watch for bubbles forming on the surface and the edges looking set. This is your cue to flip. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Repeat until all your delicious pancakes are ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.